Wolves approached some dogs and said, "Why do we have to be enemies? We are almost the same, except you are trained by humans. You live a hard life, serving humans who put heavy collars on you, treat you poorly, and make you guard their animals and then reward you with bones. You shouldn't accept this any longer. Give us their flocks, and we can all live well and eat together." The dogs were convinced by the wolves and followed them into their cave. But as soon as they entered, the wolves attacked them and tore them to pieces. Your enemy does not advise you for your benefit, but for their own.